Hey everyone, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this tutorial, we're going to dive into the star rating block and learn how to use and customize it to create awesome rating stats in Gutenberg. Let's get started. To begin, add a container block to the editor. Then, go to the container's extra tab and customize the padding values to create a larger content area. Next, click inside the empty container and select the star rating block to insert it. By default, the star rating will display 5 golden stars with a space above for a title. Under the Basic tab options, you can turn off the title using the button and change the content alignment from the option below. From the rating section, you can adjust the rating value by increments of 0.1. Depending on the value, the stars will either be filled or empty. The title section below allows you to modify the title text, title tag, and position of the title relative to the stars. Feel free to experiment with different positions to see how they look. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to move on to the style section. Here, you can customize the size and color of the stars to create a colorful rating system. In the title section, you'll find typography options that allow you to customize the font style, including family, size, weight, style, transform, decoration, and more. But wait, there's more. You can also change the color of the text. Plus, the scroll bar at the bottom allows you to adjust the space between the title and the stars. Once you're happy with your customization, just save your changes and publish your star rating. Check out these examples for more ideas on how to use this block. That's it for this video. Thank you for choosing Zoloblocks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more block tutorials as soon as they become available. Stay connected with BdThemes.